Hello students, welcome in political science class. Student, today I have taken topic the Election Commission of India. Students, in India the democratic government will come by the election. How election will conduct, this responsibility had provided by the Indian Constitution to Election Commission, and Election Commission have responsibility to conduct the election free and fair manner. But how Election Commission without any interfere will conduct the free and fair election, it was much challenge in front of the maker of the Indian Constitution. But the maker of Indian Constitution had solved this problem, and they had made the independent election commission for the Indian election, and this independent election commission will conduct the election by the orders of the Indian Constitution. Okay student, we are going to discuss about the Election Commission of India. Student, Article 324 first of Indian Constitution provides an independent election commission for India. The Indian Constitution Article 325 first provides or arranges the independent election commission. It means the Election Commission of India is the constitutional independent body in which no can interfere in the work of the Indian Constitution. Students, in 25 January 1950, Election Commission formed by the Constitution, and the Sukumar Sen, the first election commission, chief election commission of India, and he worked from 21st March 1950 to 19th December 1958. It means the role of Sukumar Sen was big contribution in the formation of the idea of election commission. When he had taken this office, means when he became the chief election commission of India, that time election commission have no any experience to conduct any election. Sukumar Sen had big challenge. First challenge was to make the electoral roll, means voter list. Second, because that time illiteracy was common, people were not understood how to cast the vote. So the introduction of the system of the elections commission and how the cast the vote and how voter will realize the voting system, it was big challenge. But he was much intelligent person. He had made very good process to the nomination and till the announcement of the election. The process was very good. He prepared with the help of the executive the electoral roll, and he casted the vote by the Indians and formed the first independent election commission to the conduct the election of India. Students, point number third, till 1989 the election commission was single member, but just before 1989 general election, two election commissioners were appointed. Students, before 1989 the election commission was single member, means chief election commission chairs the single membership of the election commission office. And when Indian government realized it is not democratic process, so the Indian Parliament had created two and other post in the office of the election commission, and by the article amendment, Indian Parliament had created two new posts as a election commission of India and appointed them in 19 89 to take democratic decision by the election commission. Students, point number 4. The constitution ensures the security of the tenure of the chief election commission. Term is 6 years. The term of the chief election commission is 6 years, but continue till the age of 65. Means term will expire if before 6 years the chief election commission or commissioner age will be 65. Term is 6 year, but if person will cross the 65 year, then before 6 year person will be retired. Students, point number 5. The CEC, Chief Election Commissioner, can be removed before the expiry of the term by the both house of the parliament with the special majority. Students, how remove the Chief Election Commissioner of India? If Chief Election Commissioner of India had not worked good according the provisions of the Constitution, then how person will remove? The Constitution directed very good direction. By the removal system, the Chief Election Commission can remove by the both house with a special majority and after the sign of President of India. Students, I have explained the Chief Election Commission role and the Election Commission of India. Students, okay.